Look at this young man right here.
I know. Look at this. You're beautiful.
My wife thinks so.
How long you been married?
4 years.
And how long you been with Groundworks?
I've been with Groundworks since 2018.
So you've been at Groundworks longer than you've been married.
Yes, sir.
Well, congratulations on both of those. What exactly would your business card say if you had one?
Production manager.
And what would it have said on day one when you began?
Day one?
Yeah.
I was a promoter going to home shows and signing people up for our CFIs to come out and give them a quote. Then to the production side, I became an installer, co-foreman, foreman, field superintendent, production manager.
So it's really a ladder,
Yes, sir.
like with real rungs.
Yep. It's a ladder, a game plan set for you to succeed.
Personal question.
Sir.
What kind of living are you making these days doing what you do?
A lot better. Yeah.
Yeah?
Yes, sir. I make a pretty comfortable living doing what I do. I love it too, so it kind of works out.
Kids?
2.
2 kids.
Yes, sir.
Married 4 years.
Yes, sir.
Dressed up in the latest spring fashion.
Straight from Milan.
From Milan to the foundation of this house. I will see you shortly.
Yes, sir.
Under the floorboards.
Oh yeah, we'll get to it.
All right.
We'll get to it.
It's
I'm
gonna be
saving some
great.
stuff for you.
Say me the good stuff.
Only the best.
Only the best.
All right, thanks.
Hi, Victor. How's it going?
Good.
How long you been with this company?
I've been with this company since 2018.
What do you love about it?
An opportunity. I started at this company. I had never worked at a construction company before. I didn't know how to use a caulk gun, just to put it in perspective.
Yeah.
And then this company's not only invested in me and trained me and got me to where I'm at now, but they gave me the opportunity to grow, a path to get there. It's laid out for me. If I want it, I can go get it.
Any college or right out of high school?
So I had a little bit of college, about a year in, I realized school just wasn't for me.
Yeah.
I mean, kudos to those that can make it. I just not a classroom guy. I'm a under the house, getting dirty kind of guy.
Yeah. Where does the path you're on take you? I mean, I know you don't have a crystal ball, but what's the plan?
So the plan is to continue to grow with Groundworks. Right now, I'm a production manager. Hopefully, in the next year or two, general manager to maybe regional manager. Who knows? I don't want to stop.
Over what? 4 years, you said? Well, 18?
18, yes, sir.
So you're coming up on 6.
Yeah,
right?
in the first couple of years, I didn't quite follow the game plan that was laid out to me.
If you do what you're told, play ball, show up, work,
Yep.
there's a real path to 6 figures.
Oh, easily, especially in the foreman role. Once you get to the foreman role, that 6 figures is fairly easy to do.
So you're crushing it. You're working for it.
Yep.
But you're crushing it.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Oh, yeah. It's one of my favorite things about this company is one of our morals is embrace meritocracy, and you don't really see that a whole lot. You see a lot of nepotism and favoritism, whereas here it's, hey, you work hard, you're gonna play just as hard.
Look, man, I don't want to make it political, but I am overwhelmed by the fact that nobody here appears to give a damn about where you're from or what you look like.
Look, when you're in the crawl space digging trenches with somebody, literally in the trenches, it just matters that they have your back and that they can dig their trench just as good as you can. That's all that matters.
Hey, man, if you're going to dig a trench, do it with people who have your back.
If you got to muster your wet crawl space, you know what to do. Go to groundworks.com/row.
And subscribe for more Go Below with Row content every week.